and welcome back to the Slime and Squishy Sisters. So, in our previous video, which you have to go watch, so if you haven't watched that video, just go to the other one.
And this is what happened.
Yeah, and I'm going to give her the slime that I ruined.
And I got it. We got to trade spots anyway.
Yeah, we have to trade spots. Oh my gosh, I forgot where I put the slime that I ruined.
It was that.
Right here.
Okay, we open.
We are switching spots. Come on, we have to switch spots.
Once I clean my hands.
Yeah, she has to clean her hands with masking tape.
Wait, will you grab my crutches? You grab the crutches. My feet.
Here are your crutches. Go to the other side. Okay, she got there.
Scooch.
Okay, I'm here.
Abby, it's going on this side.
I know.
Mommy.
It's so weird to see us on different sides. How?
Wait, is there a spider web still?
No. Yes, but you have to lift your feet up. Oh my god. Sorry.
There was a spider web, so I got scared. I don't like spiders.
Caitlin, help. How am I supposed to?
Told ya.
I need shaving cream and contact solution.
Excuse me, the shaving cream's out. But here's
No, it's barely out. Just give me some shaving cream. Just try.
Here, use one hand to do that.
Give me the shaving cream, please.
Wait, I think I have the idea why it was making that noise. Tell me to stop.
Okay, stop. She has to help me, because this slime is, like, way deactivated.
Yeah, I put so much lotion in it. Go check that video out. Ooh, I'm going to make this really soft.
Or, don't watch this video. Because you have to go look at the other one to understand this.
Wait, I'm doing the wrong thing. I'm adding contact solution. I meant to add lotion.
Don't add too much. Like you did on this one.
I added too much because that was a video.
And go follow me on TikTok. Hi dog. It's PieDog12345678910.
Go follow me on TikTok and Wishbone. I am Kaylin's dog fam. And on Wishbone, I am, what's it called again? Kaylin at Kaylin S. And I only have one right now because I'm staying at a friend's house.
Such a jiggly slime. We are not sisters, by the way, just in slime making, we are so sisters.
We are technically sisters.
Yeah.
Like witty. Ready?
1, 2, 3 rainbows! 1, 2, 3 clouds! 1, 2, 3 pizza!
Okay, ready? I'm gonna say something different.
1, 2, 3 unicorn! 1, 2, 3 pizza! 1, 2, 3 crows!
Aw, we guessed that last one wrong.
Guys, this is such a jiggly slime. Like, it's not that sticky, it's just really jiggly. Like, see how fast that's moving? I would show you guys, but, you know.
Hands. You gotta move quick with it. She's really getting it together again.
Remember that formula we made with that shaving cream and then the color and then the contact solution?
I think I might do some lotion and shaving cream next. This is getting to be such a good slime. So what happened to this one is her friend Olivia left it out. So I'm fixing it. And it was really rough, and she put too much shaving cream in it.
And contact solution.
I think
this one needs more lotion.
You do?
No, of course not.
Okay, so that one is like 90% lotion and 10% glue.
Anything else.
Yeah.
10% glue. Yeah, 10% like
pretty
everything
much
else.
10% everything else, but 90% lotion.
And secret tip, guys. Baby oil and
hair gel
makes things jiggly, and like if you add this amount of lotion,
it makes it jiggly. And it makes
I actually never knew that.
It makes it really shiny
and sticky, and like.
Okay, so this bottle. Here, let me grab it.
These are like all of Amira's slimes.
Wait, I dropped it.
Go follow or subscribe to Just Amira.
So in that,
and
this is how much I used, and this bottle is up to here.
Okay, guys, here, let me, or just drop it. Okay. I'm trying to figure out a way, what the best way is to activate this.
Well, we have two, so it's good, but. Abby. Is how much it needs, though. Like, I'm not even.
Did you just say yo? We just had lunch. And it, like, right now it's about, like, 5.
For real.
We just had lunch. So, like, all of our mac and cheese stuff is down here, and we have to pick it up after this video.
Yeah. But we ate over on the couch, not this table, of course, because that'd be really gross.
Yeah. Especially with, like, all the slime that's been on here.
She's had this table for, like, 3 years.
Actually, I have.
Well, I've known you 3 years. First grade, I didn't really know you.
Love me, say that you love me.
Love me.
Don't follow me on Wishbone because I don't have Wishbone.
Love me, say that you love me. I love that song.
Wait, hold on. Sing it again.
Love me, say that you love me.
Okay, get your head out of the camera, okay? That was not on purpose.
Okay,
so get out of the camera again, okay? Okay, you're good. Sing it. Just sing it!
Okay,
I'm gonna lip sing.
Love me, say that you love me. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah.
Slimes.
This is my real voice. Love me, say that you love me. Ooh yeah. I don't.
Here's my real voice. Love me, say that you love me. Love me, say that you love me.
Ooh girl, say that you love me.
Ooh girl,
what's the song
say that you love me.
I want you to be happier when the morning comes. You see what's going on.
Had to have a house for living, shooting for the stars, and I couldn't make a killing. Always gonna be that one in a million.
If you feel this slime, it's like not thick anymore. It's just sticky. And then I gotta add more.
This slime will not activate.
Put the whole bottle in, and I might. Love me.
I think you need more lotion.
Say that you love me. Ooh yeah.
Abby! Why did I do that?
Now it's like 100% lotion.
Maybe this will make it better. It's making it better. I told you it needed more lotion. Some got on my shoe, but you know.
Someone got on my shirt.
Wait, did I say someone got on my shoe?
No, that's what I was about to say. I was about to say, someone got on my shirt.
Someone got in your shirt? Ew, that's just
No, someone
weird.
got on my shirt. I was about to say, but I meant to say slime got on my shirt. Surprisingly, this actually needs activating.
Oh yeah, for all the people who are deaf. Tell me in the comments below. Wait, they couldn't hear that.
Okay, and here's it in normal speech.
Hi, how are you?
love slime on your forehead.
I know.
It's getting annoying, isn't it? Say that. Okay, so this one's like a butter slime. It's a nice, stretchy butter slime. You're getting
Move
that
the lotion. They can't see.
Ah! Sorry. You spit out. That was my knee. I think I ruined this slime. I need activator.
I need it more than you. Ew, you got some in my mouth. I'm gonna die from that stuff.
I'm gonna go for a long shot if I can stand up. Wait, I can't on my other foot. Whoa, I could fall.
I can't fix this slime. One of the slime sisters can't do it.
Hey, I'm gonna fall. How do I get it down now? I don't know. Wait, if I do this? Ow, my butt. There.
This almost went dripping off the table.
Activator works. Abby.
Well, duh, it does.
No, I mean, it's not. It's like, do you not see how it is now?
Do you not see how this is not getting fixed?
You were fixing it by putting more lotion.
No, don't come down here. We're making a YouTube video.
You picked up the papers.
Okay. Sorry, guys. My mom's down here. Why?
Why is it
Just
water?
tell me. Why? Why is it water? This is like oobleck.
Oh my gosh, I was about to say that.
This is like oobleck.
I was trying to think of it. I'm like, what is it called? No, it's like, I was going to say slime. It's like slime.
Well, duh, it's slime. To be honest, right now it's not even slime, it's soup. Anyone want some slime soup?
Not slime.
Awkward silence. Anyone want some slime soup? Well, we better end the video. I think we're going to have to do a part 3.
I don't think we do. So, Abby, keep on making that.
Well, fail complete.
Next time, we'll try. It's like, I totally fixed it. I just got to get it better. So, let's try to watch Abby fix it. I think that's more of a water slime now. It should be called the ocean slime.
Okay, will you please pause the video? Turn off the video.
No, I'll
Wait, hold
pause
on. Bye, guys.
Wait, pause.
You're going to get my case all dirty.
Pause.
Okay, you know what? Okay, you have to
Unpause.
do the video. Stop
Okay.
the video. Click the... No.
Wait, it's on pause.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Click the